Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Funke and today I am going to show you how to make lumpy egusi soup like a pro. Whether you're a beginner or you are just looking for how to up your egusi game, then this video is for you. But before we dive right into business, kindly subscribe to my channel if you're here too. Thank you. These are the ingredients I'm going to be using. You can check the description box below for all the list of ingredients so you don't miss a thing. To start, I'm going to cook my meat. You guys already know how I cook my meat. However, for the sake of every new person here, I'm going to explain. So, to cook soups, the only things that you should add to your meat while cooking your meat are seasoning, salt, and onions. Please stop adding curry and thyme to cook meat for your Nigerian soups. Actually, I would say do whatever works for you, but on this matter, trust me, you don't need those extra things. Just keep it simple and don't add water at first. Allow the juice to do its work for at least 5 minutes before you add in water. That's how you get a rich stock. Making egusi soup is very easy if you just follow the steps. First, add onion puree and little beef stock or water into your already grounded egusi. Mix together thoroughly to well combined. You need a thick consistency, just like this one. Then you're going to set it aside. So just a quick question, guys, how do you like your egusi cooked? Do you prefer the fried or the boiled method? Let us know in the comment section. Into a pot, I'm going to pour some palm oil and heat it up a bit. Please do not bleach your palm oil, just heat it up a bit. Add chopped onions into the palm oil and fry on low heat just until the onions are soft and fragrant. Then you're going to go in with the pepper. So my pepper mix contains rodo, shombo, and tatashe. Actually, you can use only rodo for this if you're able to tolerate it, but because I am unable to tolerate it currently, I had to use tatashe, shombo, and rodo for this. You can either blend coarsely or you can blend smoothly. You're going to cover the pot and allow it to fry for about 5 to 6 minutes. Once the pepper is fried, it's time to introduce the egusi paste. Scooping the egusi bit by bit into the pepper, just like you're making akara. You can also use your hands for this. There are actually several ways to cook egusi soup, but this one is my favorite. What's your own preferred method to cook lumpy egusi? Please share with us in the comment section. Cover the pot and allow the egusi to fry on low heat. You should actually stir this occasionally so it doesn't burn, and please make sure you fry your egusi very well. This one took me around 10 minutes because not frying egusi well is going to upset your stomach and you do not want that for yourself. You will know your egusi is well fried when you can no longer see any white visible egusi and when the palm oil is well immersed in them. Go ahead and add every other ingredient in no particular order. You can use anything, any protein of your choice. You can use chicken, you can use turkey, you can use beef. Actually, I prefer using beef. You can use any fish of your choice. You can use stockfish, you can use dried fish, you can even use fresh fish or fried fish. Crayfish powder is optional, but it enhances the taste of your soup. Locust beans is also optional. I just love locust beans too much that I would add it to anything, even jollof rice, if I'm permitted to. Add beef stock and water just to loosen it up a bit. Then stir this together gently, cover and allow to cook on low heat for 6 minutes. Do not forget to stir this occasionally so that it does not burn. I do believe that some of us have one or two secret ingredients that we must add to our egusi soup while making egusi. Which one is yours? What is that one thing, or that one ingredient that you cannot do without while making egusi soup? Let us know in the comment section. Maybe someone can learn one or two things from you. Please let us know in the comment section. Lastly, you're going to add chopped vegetables. You can either use ugu or greens. That's efo tete or spinach. I used ugu Give it a gentle stir and cover and allow to steam together for 2 minutes. You don't want to cook this for too long so that your soup can still retain that freshness and the vibrant green color of the ugu leaves. And that's how you make lumpy egusi soup. Simple, easy and straightforward. Go ahead and serve this with any swallow of your choice. Which is your favorite swallow for egusi soup? Is it pounded yam? Is it eba? Is it semo? Or hamala? Let us know in the comment section. Did you enjoy watching this video? Kindly give it a thumbs up if you do. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. I will see you in the next video. Bye.